My friend has problems with winter and autumn. They give him prescriptions. They shine bright lights on him. They say it's genetic. They say he can't help it. They say you can catch it, but sometimes you're born with it. My friend gets flaky, gets shakes in the night. They say that there's no way that they could have caught it, and time takes its toll on him. It is traditional. It is inherited predisposition. All day I've been wondering what is inside of me. Who can I blame for it? Say it runs in the family. This family that carries me to such great lengths to open my legs up to anyone who would have me. It runs in the family. I come by it honestly. Do what you want. Who knows, it might fill me up, 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 fill me up, 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 me up. My friend's depressed, she's a wreck, she's a mess. They've got all sorts of tests and they guess it has something to do with their grandmothers, Civil War soldiers who badly infected her. My friend has maladies, rickets and allergies. She dates back to the 17th century. Somehow she manages in her misery, strips in the city and shares all her best tricks with me. Well, I'm well, I mean I'm in hell. Well, I still have my health, at least that's what they tell me. If wellness is this fight and health is sickness, business is business and business runs in the family. They tend to bruise easily, bad in the blood. I'm telling you, cause I just want you to know me and my family. We're wonderful folks, but don't get too close to me, cause you might knock me up, 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 knock me up, 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 me up. Mary had mercy, now look what I've done, but don't blame me because I can't help where I come from, and running is something that we've always done well, and mostly I can't even tell what I'm running from. Run from the pity, from responsibility, from the country and run from the city, can run from the law, I can run from shit, run from the law, I can run from myself, I can run from my life, I can run into death, I can run from it all, run from God, run for the office and run for the cause, I can run using every last ounce of energy, I cannot run from my family, they're hiding inside of me, corpses on ice, come in if you'd like, but just don't tell my family, they never forgive me, they say that I'm crazy, but they would say anything if it would shut me up, 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 shut me up, 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 me up. Jesus.